All right, rev it. Making random headway on both the drag car and it's getting there. Still working on that. And the truck, which is obviously so tore apart. But for tonight's experiment, we're going to be changing out this ricey ass exhaust, factory exhaust all hacked up, for a Borla unit. This is the Borla unit going on GoCon's 2015 Honda Accord V6. And we're going to see, hopefully it makes it sound, well, good. And as usual, it's a northern car, so looks like the torch is coming out. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm more than a little disturbed at what apparently has happened to Borla, because I'm supposed to keep the hardware and the gaskets. That doesn't really work out in these rust climates, because this is what's left of the gasket. I can't see why they can't throw in a $5 gasket to solve this problem, but I guess that's the new economy. Typical cleanup, getting all this stuff off so we have a good seal. Yay, rust belt. Okay. Gonna need to spread it a little bit. Sometimes you need to spread it, sometimes you need lube.
Sometimes you need both.
Sometimes you need both. Alright, she's installed. And looks pretty good. Honestly, other than busted bolt, a little bit of prying and heating, came out pretty nice. We're going to try it out here in a minute. Hold your pants on, man. Now we got warm idle. Go ahead.